Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our set of inequality problems. Let's review our previous solution first. We implemented the factorization of the left-hand side. So we have here 1 minus 1 plus f in parentheses times x. This is the factorization of this term. Today I will add code to evaluate the left-hand side and the right-hand side expressions. So let's just do it. I will add an empty line first. And then I will copy this line. And instead of LHS, I will say eval of LHS and knowns. And then instead of RHS, I will say eval of RHS and knowns. So the eval method uses an expression and evaluates it with the knowns in our problem. Okay, so let's save this file and run our 6 tests. So let's start with the first one. Okay, so we have 26 times x is larger than 234. That's good. Second test. 13 times x is larger than 234. So in our problem f, in this test f is 13. Then third test. 26x is smaller than 234. Okay, this was the smaller than problem. Test 4. 26 times x is smaller than or equal than 34. Then test 5. Minus negative f times x is smaller than b minus t, which is negative 26 times x is smaller than negative 234. So when we'll divide here by negative 26, the formula sign will change. Okay, test 6. 26 times x is larger than 234. That's right. And last test. Negative 26, f is 26, times x is smaller than negative 234. So all our tests passed. Next step, it will be to divide by this expression on both sides and eventually change the sign. So in this case, the sign will change. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded.